Hi, welcome to HardReset.info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Xiaomi 13 Lite, and now I'm gonna show you how to set caller ID announcement on this device. To do it, open the phone application, then click on the right corner on the three dots button, choose settings here, scroll down and find caller ID announcement. Choose announce caller ID and choose or always or only when using a headset. I don't want to announce caller's name always, so to everyone here who calls me. I just want to me here who calls me when I, for example, riding a bike and my smartphone is in my backpack and I listen to music in my headset in this time, and in this way I will hear who calls me and I'll be able to decide am I want to answer the call or to decline. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye.